The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 Black Series is not just another luxury SUV, it's a statement that the competition is officially over. From the moment you see it, this vehicle announces power, prestige, and perfection. The Black Series treatment takes Maybach luxury to a level we've never seen before, blending extreme performance with handcrafted elegance in a way only Mercedes can deliver. On the outside, the GLS 800 Black Series looks bold, aggressive, and undeniably elite. The deep black paint is finished with a mirror-like shine, accented by dark chrome detailing that replaces traditional bright elements. The massive grille, redesigned specifically for the Black Series, commands attention, while the sculpted body lines and oversized wheels give this SUV a powerful road presence. This isn't a car you drive quietly through traffic. It dominates every street it touches. Step inside, and you enter a world where luxury feels limitless. The cabin is wrapped in premium Napa leather, carbon fiber trims, and exclusive Black Series stitching. Every surface you touch feels handcrafted, every detail carefully designed. Ambient lighting flows throughout the interior, creating a calm yet futuristic atmosphere, while the panoramic roof adds openness to the already spacious cabin. Rear passengers are treated like royalty, with executive seating, massage functions, and advanced climate controls that turn long drives into first-class experiences. Under the hood, the Maybach GLS 800 Black Series delivers serious performance. Powered by a high-output twin-turbo V8 engine paired with Mercedes' advanced hybrid technology, this SUV produces breathtaking power while maintaining smooth, silent refinement. Acceleration is effortless, and despite its size, the GLS 800 feels incredibly stable and responsive. The advanced suspension system reads the road ahead and adjusts instantly, making even rough terrain feel like freshly paved asphalt. Technology in this SUV is equally impressive. The latest MBUX system offers AI-based voice control, seamless smartphone integration, and crystal-clear digital displays. Driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane assist, night vision, and 360-degree cameras, ensuring safety without sacrificing comfort. Everything works quietly in the background, allowing you to enjoy the drive with confidence. What truly sets the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 Black Series apart is how it blends extreme luxury with commanding power. It doesn't try to compete with other luxury SUVs, it exists above them. This is a vehicle designed for those who demand the best and refuse to compromise. In a world full of premium SUVs, the Maybach GLS 800 Black Series stands alone, redefining what true automotive luxury really means.